What is good, YouTube, and to my sneaker world family? It is your guy once again, JUDL12, aka Bubba, and I'm back with another quick review. And my people, as always, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button for your boy, and also smash that notification bell for upcoming videos. And as always, I want to thank everyone who's been rocking with the Bubba Files. And those who are new to the Bubba Files, welcome to the Bubba Files family. And those who hadn't subscribed, man, please get on there and subscribe to the channel, because I am on a goal to 1,000 subs, and I can't get there without you guys. So you guys continue to just, bring all the love and support to the channel. And I will promise you that I will continue to bring you more heat as you're looking at right now that I'm going to get into. So thanks again. And now, as you can see, guys, I have the Mcm Puma Suede. Now this is, oh my gosh, these are absolutely insane. To all the people who hadn't seen this, man, look, these are stupid. But I'm definitely gonna get into that. But shout out to Big Bro TD501. This is a TD501 pickup. I appreciate you letting me review the kicks. And I wasn't able to get my size in these, Big Bro. He was able to cop him a pair, but I will be getting some coming in soon. So stay tuned for that. I don't have this colorway, but we have others coming. So stay tuned to that. Now, as I stated before, this is the Mcm Puma collaboration. The whole inspiration came. This was the 50th anniversary for the Puma Suede. So Mcm and Puma did a collaboration, and man, look, shout out to Mcm and Puma, man. Y'all continue in other collaborations with Mcm that you will do. Please do them, because I love copying things like this. Big Bro loves getting things like this. Like, I love the collaborations with the bigger companies. It's absolutely dope. So thumbs up and give you guys that. And man, let me just get to this, guys. These are dope as hell. You had 3 colorways. These retailed at $340, and these dropped on May 24th. If I had a date right, but May 24th at a retail price of $340. Now you have 3 colorways. You have your red, white, and blue, black pair here, as you see. You have your cognac pair, which will match this box. But this box is insane. I'm gonna show you that. And then you have the white and gray pair. There's your Mcm bag here. And like I said, guys, go on and check out TD501's IG. Big Bro, I have a playlist down below. You definitely check out more of his kicks. Let's get into the shoe, man. You have your Mcm plate right there with your tag number there. Shout out to the stamp there. These are absolutely insane. You got your suede right there. Mcm branding throughout the shoe. Your outsole has your Puma on your outsole. 2 sets of laces. You have your wax laces, and I'm going to show you the other set here. Your insole, Mcm there. Got your Mcm right there, Puma right there. This box is insane, guys. Look at this box. Oh my gosh. Like, look at this. This is Mcm throughout this box, man. You got your 50th anniversary Puma Suede. Some more accessories. Puma dust bag there. Extra set of laces there. And this is it's insane, guys. I'm telling you. More of the collection. And guys, there you have it, man. I just want to let you guys get a quick look at these. Absolutely, these are so sexy. These are just ridiculous. So, hey guys, continue to like, comment, and subscribe, man. This has been JUDL12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files. Lego.